Let's start to implement remove method. Before implement remove method, let's go to this website visualgo.net and see how a remove scenario looks like. Imagine in the position 2, index 2, we have element. We want to remove element at index 2. What will happen? We need to shift all elements of the remove position one position to left. Let's see how its illustration looks like. Let's remove element at index 2. All elements after that position shifted one position to left. For generic and object types, it is important to nullify this position to let garbage collector to clean that space, removed objects. Let's start the implementation. As we will return back the remove value, we need to keep that value in variable int removed equals array index and we need to shift all elements of the remove position to left. We will create one method, shift to left, and pass index. And I will rename it removed index. Iterate starting from removed index until size and shift all elements to one position left, starting from removed index. Starting from after removed index. And this is optional, but if you use generics, it is important to notify garbage collector to clean that memory. In our case, we use int type, it's optional, but we can set 0. And decrement size and return remote value. Here it's also worth to check, is index valid index? Validate. Let's validate also index to make sure index is valid index. Create this method. If index is less than 0 or index is greater than or equal size, that means this is invalid index. We need to throw. Let's use same exception which is thrown in the ArrayList. Array index under bound in the exception invalid index. And let's review. This is validate. We validate based on index and we keep removed element value and shift to left, and starting to remove index, we iterate until last index. Actually it's not size, it's index, last index should be size -1, and we shift all elements starting after removed position to one position left, and this is optional. We need to set last index value to 0. Actually here is also last index, no size, and decrement size and return removed element.